At Mecwin Technologies, we believe in innovation, quality, and complete customer confidence. That's why every product we deliver comes with a unique serial number, carefully generated through our smart coding system. IP67, this represents the controller box used, ensuring protection from dust and water for long-lasting performance. 03HP, the motor type, clearly specifying the horsepower for easy identification. 70M, the head size, making it simple to match your exact requirements. 09, the month of manufacture. 2025, the year of manufacture, ensuring clarity on product age and warranty timelines. 1077, the unique serial number, which is never repeated thanks to our smart coding format. How Mecwin generates serial number. First, log into the Mecwin Nethra app using your user credentials. After logging in, select the particular order and choose the corresponding IMEI number to fetch the details. Once the order details are displayed, proceed to select the controller requirement, including the type and RMS requirement. Next, choose the motor specifications by selecting the required horsepower HP motor as per the customer's requirement, followed by selecting the pump head size and the appropriate motor. Once the motor category is selected, the software automatically generates a motor serial number, pump serial number, and controller serial number, ensuring uniqueness, non-replicability, and a continuous serial numbering system. The production process at Mecwin Technologies uses a QR code system where each unit gets a unique serial number, parts are checked during assembly, performance is verified in testing, packaging ensures correct delivery, and customers can confirm auth. This system makes duplication impossible and strengthens traceability at every step. At Mecwin, we don't just manufacture, we empower trust with technology-driven